Now that you understand all the different alkene reactions and the mechanisms that go along with them, it is really important that you practice all of the different types of reactions. So what I want you to do is I want you to try all of these 8 questions on your own. So if you need to draw out the mechanism, if that helps you identify the products, then by all means make sure to do that. Or what I highly recommend you get used to is be able to just instantly look at this and be able to predict the product. So knowing all the different reagents and how that affects all of your different alkenes in this case. So pause the video right now, get a piece of paper, and try these questions out. Okay, so you tried them out on your own. Let's go over number 1. So first off, I just want us to identify what type of reaction this is. So we know this is going to be our reagent. So this is what we have as our reaction.